Hey yo-yoers, it is February, which means grab an old school Duncan or wooden yo-yo and put some fresh cotton string on it and give it a go. A lot of people ask me about maintaining these old wooden axles, specifically what happens if the axle is too coarse, if the yo-yo is not sleeping enough. One thing you can do is take the string off the yo-yo and then wrap it around the axle, just one wrap, and then just pull. You can give it some tension if you need on the other side to make a little bit more of an effect. But basically, this is going to smooth the axle. Do it like 5 or 10 times. Another thing some people do is use candle wax on the end of their string. Don't do that. That's going to make your yo-yo far too unresponsive, and it kind of like sticks around longer than you want. I like to use chapstick. Burt's Beeswax is great. You just put a little dab onto the end of the string where the yo-yo is going to wrap around, and then just wrap the yo-yo up and you're good to go.